Number 11, stationary wave is set up on a string. However, the question. So the length of both fixed point, the length from the first fixed point to another fixed point is 48 centimeters. So in this length, so in this 48 centimeter, it contains 1.5 wavelength, same as 3 per 2 wavelength. So the wavelength equals to 2 times 48 per 3. So the answer is 32. Number 12. A string is fixed between point P and oscillator M. Another string is fixed between M and Q. The frequency of oscillators is adjusted still. So the frequency is the same. Because it come from one oscillator. And then the frequency of P and Q are same. So the particle that position on M is known. Which diagram could represent the stationary? The speed between P and M, twice the speed of P and M is twice. I'm sorry, it's twice the speed of M and Q. And the frequency are same. So recall again the speed of equation of the speed wave. V equals to lambda times frequency, where the frequency same. So you just focus on the speed and wavelength. So when V and lambda are proportional, when V doubled and then the wavelength also double. Look at the picture here. Double wavelength, it means the wavelength is longer. It's longer, and then it's longer. We see here it's longer. P and M, the wavelength is longer. So in this length, it just create half wavelength. And it means the wavelength of PM actually is longer than wavelength of MQ, where MQ it happen one wavelength here. So the answer is A. As the speed of PM twice, and then the wavelength also longer. Longer wavelength means we have less loop here, so it only create one loop in half wavelength. This is one full wavelength with the two loops. A stationary wave is produced on a string that stretches between two fixed that are distance of 1, 3, 5. The speed of wave on the string is 450. What is the frequency of oscillation of the stationary wave? The speed of the wave on the string is 450, and this is 1.35 apart, and we have 1 half wavelength or equal to T3 per 2 wavelength. What's the frequency? Recall again, V equals to lambda times F, where F equals to V per lambda. So V here is 450 and the lambda here. So this one half wavelength is created on 1.35 length. So length of this one wavelength, yeah, is equals to 2 times 1.35 per 3. Substitute here. Well, the answer is 500 hertz. Number 14. Stationary wave is formed on straight string. The diagram illustrates the string at instant of time when displacement of string is at its maximum. The frequency blah blah blah. So this is point P has vertical displacement. Its antinode, so its maximum displacement is 1. What will be the vertical displacement of point P after time 5 millisecond? Okay. Recall again how the period of stationary wave form. Where is it? Hey. Look at the dust line where incoming wave and the reflection are overlapped in this instant. And the first particle meets the first particle overlap. It creates stationary wave come from the superposition from incoming and reflection. And then how to calculate the stationary wave, the displacement of stationary, we just sum of displacement from its individual wave. Yeah, example here. Okay, we focus on this point antinode. Okay, so the uh, the red line here is a stationary wave from the two waves here. The amplitude of this red line, yeah, it's a result of the sum from its amplitude. So when in this zero time, in this instant, the incoming and reflection wave are overlapped at the fifth place, where crest meet crest, when trough meet trough, and then we can see the stationary wave here. Okay, next to the quarter period. Okay, next to the quarter period, what happened to the quarter period? When it's quarter period, the incoming wave and the reflection wave are overlap, but it's not at the fifth place, where the crest doesn't meet the crest, but is the crest meet a trough. And how the result of the superposition from the crest meet trough? It's zero amplitude, it's zero displacement. Yeah, well, so you can see the red line here. Yeah, the red line here is straight. It means the stationary wave doesn't happen in this quarter period. It just minimum intensity, minimum displacement, all zero. Yeah, so no stationary wave, no wave we can see from here. Yeah, no wave we can see from here, because uh, the superposition from two incoming wave are cancel each other. Yeah, or cancel each other, distract each other. So no stationary wave here in the quarter period. Okay, look at to the third picture. The third picture. Okay, so the incoming wave and the reflection wave are traveling, it meet it meet in the half period. It meets trough and trough. Look at this is at the upper amplitude, and this is mid when it's at the amplitude is the at the bottom here. Under equilibrium position here. Okay, so trough, mid trough, and then it still create displacement maximum. It create antinode here, and see the other. It create antinode. It can create antinode, but it's here. It's still not. So we can see stationary waveform here. Yes, so stationary wave occur in half period. So next, in the third quarter, yeah, you see it's straight red line. It means the stationary wave doesn't occur here. So in the full period, it backs to the first cycle here, yeah, to the first picture here. It creates stationary wave. So what we can take the lesson from here, that the stationary wave occur every half period and full period. Yeah, and then the phase difference is uh, in half period. It can create a stationary wave. And so back to the question. Back to the question. What will be the vertical displacement P here after time 5 milliseconds? Okay, after time 5 milliseconds. So this is stationary wave, and stationary wave only happen in half period and full period. So we have to know the period of this stationary wave. The information of frequency here is 250 hertz, and then the period is 1 per 250. It's equal to 0.04, or it equals to 4 millisecond. And what happened in 5 millisecond? Okay, so stationary wave is firm when the period is 4, 6, 8 millisecond, and then 10 millisecond, yeah, every half period and full period. So is this 5 millisecond it's half period or full period? Yeah, so 5 millisecond it's 1 full period, 4 millisecond plus 1 millisecond. Yeah, it left to 1 millisecond. So 1 millisecond only a quarter from this 4 millisecond. Yeah, so in the quarter period, the stationary wave doesn't create. And then the point P, and then all the particles here, it's on this equilibrium line. No stationary wave happen. So the answer is B. Number 15. A pipe closed at one end has loudspeaker at the open end. For some frequencies of sound from the loudspeaker, stationary sound wave is formed in the air within the pipe with antinode at the open end of the pipe. The length of the pipe is 1.85. The speed of sound in air is 340 meter per second. Which frequency of sound from the loudspeaker will then produce a stationary wave? Yeah. So we have pattern like arithmetic series. It's like geometric, yeah, geometric series of the frequency in stationary wave. So this is stationary wave occur at open tube, where the open tube it's happen in one frequency, three frequency, and five frequency. Yeah. How I got this numbers? Okay, remember how to calculate frequency in in stationary wave open tube, that 1 per 4 V per L. Yeah, so this is the fundamental. So or the first frequency. So next is um 3 per 4. Okay, where this number has equation 2 and minus 1. So when you and here is a number frequency, when you substitute 1 here, the frequency is become 1 frequency. So when you substitute 2 here, the frequency it's become 3 frequency, and next so on the next number. Yeah, and then it's happen so in the next number. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to know the basic fundamental frequency from this open tube. Okay, frequency equals to V per lambda. So V here is 340, and a lambda here, the first frequency, the first pattern, happen in this pipe is this is node and this is antinode. So we just create connecting line between the antinode to node. It happen a quarter wavelength, so 0.85 it's contained for a quarter wavelength, and then the wavelength from the first fundamental frequency is 4 times 0.85, it's equals to 3.4. Okay, so divide with 3.4, it's equals to 100. Yeah, so this is the first fundamental frequency, and the second frequency is triple frequency, and then it's 300, and the third is 500. So B here are not the frequency of the open tube stationary. It doesn't happen at all type of stationary wave. Yeah, in string wave has its own pattern of frequency, had its own series of frequency. Yeah, so 135 here it's depend on type of stationary wave.